You are looking at the Mini IOT Bluetooth safety case. It is made by Tsunami Industrial Equipment, and it is currently marketed on Amazon under the brand name Vehipa. I have no idea who owns that brand name, but they are marketing this as a handgun safe. This came to me directly from Tsunami Industrial. If this unit was functioning properly, I would be able to enter the default access code, which is 123455, and the thing would pop open, and then I could change it, reset the access code, enroll a fingerprint, but this unit is defective. But that's also a minor issue because this thing has bigger problems than defective circuitry. Here's what the key looks like. It's a weird foldy thing. I think it's just a gimmick. And the key is a laser cut inner groove styled key. The thing comes with cable for anchoring it down, and it's got a layer of very thin foam in the bottom. Now let's get to the problems. This thing is made of Lego plastic, ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. You'll notice a spot right here. I'll show you how that got there. This is acetone, commonly used as nail polish remover. What I'll do is get a Q-tip soaked with this stuff and do this. And you'll notice it's eating right through the plastic. ABS does not offer any resistance to common solvents. This is an issue because most of your gun cleaning solutions have solvents that will destroy this plastic. So if you put a gun in this thing, which I would not advise doing, and there's any residual cleaning solution on the gun, it could very well ruin the plastic. If somebody wanted to break into this, you could just pour nail polish remover, acetone, all over this keyway, and when the plastic gets soft and squishy, you could push a screwdriver in there, remount the plastic using the lock, and that would rotate the cam and release the latches. Which brings me to the second problem here. This lock is just tied into plastic, so if you wanted to, you could also just knock a screwdriver in there right now, grab the screwdriver with a pair of pliers, and again use the lock to remount the plastic, which would in turn cause that cam to rotate and throw the latches. Okay, now I really need to talk about the bypass cylinder installed in this. Here is my diagram representing this type of wafer lock that takes a laser cut inner groove key. The lock installed in this device has tabs at all four corners of the keyway, which I would need to address if I'm going to pick this lock. And that was the plan. I was going to use portions of a disassembled GOSO HU100 pick. I find these very useful when it comes to attacking this type of lock. But then what I did is I pushed the tensioning piece of that same pick down the keyway, gave it some tension, and simply jiggled the lock open. So then I started playing around with this and discovered that if I push this in all the way and angle it down slightly, I can drag out the core, and there it is. So now I just have to push the end of a screwdriver in, and it's open. Okay, I have this thing resting on my knee, and I'm going to open it one more time using the key so you can see it's functioning. Then I'll throw the keys inside for safekeeping and lock it. The thing is now locked. And now it's open.